An offset nipple can be used inside a wall. Referencing the International Residential Code, or IRC, Chapter 31, Plumbing Systems, Section P3101.1, General, it states that pipe installed for the distribution of water or waste shall conform to ASTM F625, ASTM F128, or ASTM A120. Furthermore, ASTM F625 is the standard specification for wrought copper and copper alloy solder joint pressure fittings. It describes that socket-type solder joint copper pressure fittings are intended for use in joining copper, brass, bronze, or copper alloy tubes or pipes in residential and commercial plumbing systems. There are additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, the offset nipple should be accessible for future maintenance or repairs. Secondly, the offset nipple should not obstruct the flow of water or waste. Thirdly, the offset nipple should be properly supported to prevent damage or leaks. It is worth noting that some inspectors may require the use of a union fitting instead of an offset nipple for exposed installations. However, for concealed installations inside walls, an offset nipple is generally acceptable code-wise.